This eye has existed unchanged for 200 million years, but what happens next to this animal has only been possible for the last 20.
Facility farms, processes for inside-Duan operation.
In the wild, a crocodile lives 70 years and reaches 6 meters. In here, every variable of its life is controlled by science. From egg to a $50,000 Hermes Birkin bag, this is the process the world's luxury brands do not want you to fully understand. Welcome to the most technologically advanced crocodile facility on Earth. What happens inside these walls supplies the world's most exclusive fashion houses. These scales, this pattern, is why a single crocodile hide sells for over $15,000. Inside the processing facility, over 400 trained workers operate in shifts.
The hides $1 and transform resin into material worth 10 times that.
Each hatchling that survives will spend the next 3 years inside this facility. Its diet, temperature, water quality, and health monitored every single day.
This bag took 3 years to reach this moment, and it will sell for more than most people earn in a year.
Over 10,000 crocodiles.
This is the process, the science, the billion-dollar truth about crocodile farming.
From egg to finished product.
3 species are farmed for luxury leather: the Nile crocodile, the saltwater alligator. Each produces a different scale pattern and quality grade. Commercially farmed crocodiles are protected under CITES. Every animal and hide is traceable, ensuring ethical and legal compliance. Every animal on this facility is under continuous veterinary supervision. A single illness can spread through hundreds of animals in days. Water quality is meticulously controlled in real time. Precise monitoring of pH, oxygen hide quality. Diet directly affects the quality and color of the final leather. Animals fed a high-protein. Crocodiles are ectothermic. The facility maintains 31 degrees Celsius year-round. Every degree above causes stress. Overcrowded enclosures mean aggression, scarring, and damaged leather. The AI system manages population density automatically. Stocking density is one of the most critical variables in hide quality. Overcrowded enclosures mean aggression, scarring, and damaged. Not every hide is equal. Grade 1 hides are flawless. The grading system is merciless. The global market for luxury crocodile leather is worth over $3 billion today. This is why the farming science matters so much. Crocodile meat is a legal, regulated food product consumed in Australia, South Africa. A single adult crocodile yields premium hide, tail meat, body meat, liver. Biosecurity is not optional. The facility's digital twin mirrors every operational parameter in real time. From this corridor, every zone is accessible. Every zone is critical. Remove one, and the entire supply chain collapses. Female crocodiles build nests of vegetation and mud. The decomposing vegetation generates heat that incubates the eggs. Eggs are collected within 24 hours of laying. This is the first intervention that science makes: laying. Infertile eggs are removed immediately. Fertile ones move to the incubation hall. The incubation hall maintains 31.5 degrees Celsius and 95% humidity. An AI control system monitors and adjusts every incubation unit independently. After 80 to 90 days, hatching begins. The hatchlings use a temporary egg tooth through the shell. Every hatchling is weighed, measured, microchipped, and photographed within 6 hours of hatching. Feeding is partially automated. A robotic dispensing system delivers precisely calibrated protein portions to. Growth is monitored monthly. Every animal's length and weight is compared to the facility's growth curve. As juveniles grow, they are transferred to larger enclosures. Maintaining corrected prevents hide downgrade. Grow-out animals receive a diet of whole fish and formulated protein blocks twice a week. At 24 months, a hide development inspection is conducted on every animal. The belly scales are assessed for size, uniformity, and color. Seen from below, the belly scales that will become the world's most expensive leather look exactly like what they. An AI system analyzes scale patterns from underwater footage, predicting the hide grade and optimal harvest date. Animals cleared for harvest are moved to a dedicated pre-harvest holding area 48 hours before processing. Harvest is conducted under strict animal welfare protocols certified by independent auditors. While the hide is processed, a separate team recovers the meat yield. The yield from one animal can exceed 8 kilograms. Hide removal begins within 30 minutes of harvest. The belly, called the hornback, is separated from the dorsal scale. Immediately after removal, the lens enters the cervical, dancing structure of the skin. Speed is critical. Every hide is tagged with a unique RFID identity, ensuring full traceability for CITES export certification. The fleshing machine removes all subcutaneous tissue from the hide's inner surface. After fleshing, every hide receives its first quality grade. Under high-intensity inspection lighting, and still the most non-iodized saltive for crocodile on Earth. The hide cures for 48 hours before shipping. After curing, hides are stored at 4 degrees Celsius. They can be held safely for up to 6 months before tanning.
The tannery is where biology ends and chemistry begins.
Raw crocodile skin enters as a preserve.
Before tanning can begin, the salt-cured hides must be rehydrated.
Liming removes the epidermis and all non-structural proteins from the hide.
After liming, too much baiting produces soft leather. Too little produces stiff leather. The balance is everything.
Chrome tanning, the most widely used tanning process for luxury leather. After tanning, excess liquor is removed by hydraulic pressing, a process called sammying. Retanning adds the character to the leather, its fullness, firmness, and structure. Dyed hides are stretched on frames to maximize surface area and prevent shrinkage during drying. The tension is precisely controlled. The staking machine mechanically massages the dried leather with thousands of small pins.
The nets Crocodile directions the makes and the war.
It must be preserved perfectly. No other leather on earth does this. The three-dimensional geometry of the crocodile scale, you are paying for this. The surface finish is applied in multiple thin layers by automated spray systems. Each layer adds depth of color. Glaze plating uses heat and pressure to compress the surface finish to a mirror-like gloss. The press operates. Every batch of finished leather is tested to international luxury standards. Tensile strength. The cutter's job is to extract maximum usable area from it. One wrong cut loses thousands. A computer-controlled laser cuts each component to within point loading that would compromise a luxury finish. Edge skiving, thinning the leather at fold lines, is one of the most skill-dependent processes in luxury done by hand. Every stitch hole is punched by hand at 4 mm intervals. Before stitching, all panels are aligned and glued. The contact adhesive must bond immediately on contact. The saddle stitch, used for 2,000 years, is still the strongest and most durable stitch method for leather. The hardware on a luxury crocodile leather bag is solid brass, gold-plated to 5 micron thickness. Stitching must align perfectly with the exterior. Misalignment by a single stitch is grounds for rejection. Edge finishing is one of the most time-consuming processes in luxury leather goods. When the final seam closes, the bag takes its permanent form. The craftsman holds it up for the first time. The final inspection takes 90 minutes per piece. The quality controller exempts everything else goes back. This feeds the leather, deepens the color, and brings the scales to their fine luster. Presentation is the final act of manufacturing. The serial number links to the specific bag it came from, can trace its product to a single animal. The facility never stops. The biology of the animals does not stop at night, and the demand from every line, every worker, every machine, converting nature into 3 years, 96 steps, one finished product. The tannery alone processes over 800 hides every single week, each one passing through 14. The leather workshop employs 120 specialist craftspeople, each one trained for a minimum of 3 years before touching a hide. Right now, at this exact moment, 47 hides are in the tanning drums. 23 panels are being. This year alone, this facility will produce over 80 tons of crocodile meat for premium food markets worldwide.
Crocodile fat, once rendered, produces the press. A 15 old reels than Pomatum lirances.
One facility. 100. The hides produced in this facility tonight will become bags that sell in Paris next year for more than the average annual salary of every worker in this building combined. In the finished goods vault, the inventory represents over $4 million on it. None of it is available for general retail. From this to this. 3 years. The facility settles into the night shift. Tomorrow, 400 eggs will hatch, 200 hides will be graded. The finished bag. 1 meters of crocodile belly hide. From a single grade 1 hide, a skilled cell cutter material for highest level talents. Each scale is a hexagonal armor plate. 200 million years of per century producers learning how to preserve it perfectly. But they will remember every piece they have ever made. That is what separates craft from manufacturing. Every luxury bag tells 4 stories at once. If this changed how you see the world's most expensive accessories, you already know what to do. Kawei Future Factories. Every week, the process and the truth behind the world's most extraordinary industries. Subscribe. You will not want to miss what is coming next.